At Helical Products, the method we use to cut the helical flexure into our parts does not include water jet or EDM. It is a proprietary machining process that we've had under lock and key for 65 years. At Helical Products, we have a wide array of materials available to manufacture our parts in. Primarily 17.4 and 15.5 precipitant hardened stainless steels, Mar aging C250, C300, and C350, exotic materials like Carpenter's Custom 455 and MP35N. We have the 300 series stainless steels, engineered plastics such as Delrin, fiberglass impregnated epoxies like Ultim 2300, and aluminum such as 7075 T6 and 7075 T73. At Helical Products, we service several industries, primarily including aerospace, military defense, semiconductor, medical, cryogenics, energy exploration, general industrial, as well as many others.